Let's go over what the perfect meal is to eat when you're breaking your fast. Let me first go over all the different ingredients. I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm going to prepare this meal. Then I'm going to cook it up and I'll show you how it looks at the end. See, right now I'm following a 2-meal-a-day diet. I'm doing OMAD. I'm fasting in the morning. I'm fasting about 17 to 18 hours, so I'm skipping breakfast. And I'm going to break my fast today around 2 o'clock with this incredible meal. So the key ingredient to this meal is going to be thinly sliced chicken breasts. See, I always like to prioritize protein whenever I'm preparing a meal. I like to take in about 150 grams of protein per day. So these chicken breasts are going to give me about 75 grams of protein. A general rule is every 4 ounces of chicken, fish, and meat is about 25 grams of protein. So we have 3/4 pound here. So I'm gonna get about 75 grams of protein, high quality protein with this chicken. And how I'm gonna prepare this is, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this Redmond's mineral salt on the chicken. This is incredibly healthy salt, loaded with minerals, and it really does taste great. Then I'm gonna pour in about 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a saute pan on top of the stove. And my recommendation whenever you're cooking with oils is always measure the oil out, because you can overdo it. I always keep an eye on calories. So I'm gonna measure out 1.5 tablespoons, which is more than enough oil to cook this chicken. Plus EVOO, incredibly healthy oil for you, loaded with polyphenols, loaded with antioxidants, great monounsaturated fat. So I'm going to cook up the chicken, and then right before it's done, I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder. Adds incredible flavor, plus garlic and onion, once again loaded with antioxidants, really healthy spice to use. Sometimes I also add a little bit of ground pepper, black pepper. I'm not in the mood for that today, so I'm just going with the garlic and the onion. And then as soon as the chicken is done, or while the chicken is cooking, I like to prepare the salad. I'm going to be making like a grilled chicken arugula salad. See, arugula is one of my favorite leafy greens. It's like a microgreen. Arugula is loaded with natural nitrates. It's very high in nitrates, which get converted into nitric oxide within the body. And when you increase the amount of nitric oxide within your body, it vasodilates. Like, it's great for blood flow. It can even lower blood pressure. So I'm going to go with 100 grams of baby arugula. And I also always like to add some color to the meal. See, in my opinion, it's good to eat a rainbow of colors of fruits and vegetables, different vitamins, different minerals, different nutrients. So I'm going to cut up about 5, like obviously red strawberries, to add some flavor, add some color to the meal. Plus, strawberries are really low in calories, high in fiber. I just love strawberries. Then the final ingredient is going to be an avocado. In my opinion, an avocado is a superfood, loaded with potassium. I'm going to get about 800-900 milligrams of potassium in this avocado, plus has tons of fiber, 15-16 grams of fiber. And it also adds a little bit of bulk to the salad. It makes the salad taste incredible, and it makes it very satisfying. Between the protein in the chicken and the avocado, I'm going to be full for hours. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil at the very end once everything is cooked. See, I really like balsamic vinegar for multiple reasons. First of all, it tastes great. Plus, balsamic vinegar is high in acidic acid, similar to apple cider vinegar. And what acidic acid does is that it helps control blood sugar. Like, it kind of clears glucose. It can even slow down the whole digestive process of a meal. So I really like adding a little bit of balsamic vinegar to the salad as well. Okay, now let me cook up this meal, and then I'll show you how it looks when it's all done. Now look at this, guys. Does this look incredible? It only took me about 7 minutes to make this meal. Incredibly healthy, nutritious, an amazing way to break your fast. And this is how you have to eat. You have to learn how to cook, no processed foods, make these quick, simple, easy meals. Now, if you want to learn more about intermittent fasting and how to follow the 2-meal-a-day diet, check out this video.